Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Crystal. Today we will be making Chipotle Chicken. This is one of my go-to recipes when I'm just trying to make something quick and easy for dinner. I hope you guys like this video. Now let's get into this recipe. The ingredients for today include Mexican crema or sour cream, La Morena chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 1 Roma tomato, salt, and pepper. Today I am using 2 whole chicken breasts. I cut them in half and I season both sides with salt and pepper. Place your tomato in a pot of boiling water and allow it to cook until you notice the skin begins to split. Now you will place your chicken on a pan over medium-high heat and allow it to sear on both sides. You will need to sear it on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until lightly brown. After a couple minutes, it's time to flip your chicken and allow it to sear on the other side. As you can see, that piece is nicely browned, and that one got away from me a little bit, but that's okay. You will continue to sear on the other side until it is browned as well. When your tomato is done boiling, go ahead and add it to your blender. And you will also add in your chipotle peppers. I like my sauce to be a little spicy, so I add in about 3.5 peppers. If you don't like spice too much, then you can add in about 1.5 to 2 peppers. And I also add in about 2 spoonfuls of the sauce from the chipotle peppers, and then I blend all together. Once that is all blended together, it is now time to add in your sour cream or Mexican crema, and then you will blend that together as well. Now that your chicken has seared on both sides, it is time to slice it. You can slice your chicken as thick as you want, but keep in mind the thicker the slices, the longer it takes to finish cooking through. Place your chicken in a pot over medium-low heat and add in your chipotle sauce. This step is optional. I did add a little bit of water to my blender and just shook it up to get that sauce that was at the bottom. Give that a really good mix so all that chicken is covered in that amazing chipotle sauce. Allow that to come to a boil, cover your pot, and let that finish cooking through for about 20 minutes or until your chicken is done. My chicken has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and I am going to check if it's ready. I like to find the thickest piece of chicken, and if I can split it easily with the cooking spoon, then I know it's done. Your chipotle chicken is done, and you may remove from heat and serve. I like to serve my chipotle chicken with white rice. However, you can also serve it with Spanish rice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, click that bell icon to receive notifications of my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching Cooking with Crystal.